Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up tasks in ActiveCampaign. This is a powerful way to keep track of follow-ups, reminders, and action items for specific contacts, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks in your workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace if you manage multiple accounts, as tasks are specific to each ActiveCampaign environment. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your campaigns and automation. Look for and click on Contacts. This section is where all your contact information lives, and it's the starting point for assigning tasks to individuals in your database. Now, you'll see a list of all your contacts. Select the specific contact you want to add a task to. This could be someone who needs a follow-up call, a reminder about a meeting, or any other action item you need to track. Click on their name to open their full contact profile. Once the contact profile opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Open Tasks. This is where all active tasks for this contact are displayed. Within this section, you'll see an option to add a task. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating your new task. A task creation window will appear. Start by inserting a title for your task. This should be clear and descriptive so you know exactly what needs to be done at a glance. Next, you can select a task type from the drop-down menu. Task types help categorize your tasks, such as calls, emails, or meetings, making it easier to organize your workload. After that, choose who the task should be assigned to. If you're working in a team environment, you can delegate this task to another team member. Then, set a due date and due time. This ensures the task appears on the right day and at the right time, keeping your schedule organized and on track. For more advanced options, click on Show More Options. Here, you can add a task description to provide additional context or instructions. This is especially useful if someone else will be completing the task and needs more details. You can also select to send a reminder, which allows you to choose when you or your team member will be notified about the task. This could be a few hours before or even a day in advance, depending on your preference. Additionally, under Trigger Automation, you can add automation that will automatically execute once the task is completed. This is a fantastic feature if you want to streamline your workflow, like sending a follow-up email or moving the contact to a different stage in your pipeline. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and customized your task settings, simply click Save Task. Your task is now created and will appear in the Open Tasks section for that contact. You've just set up a task in ActiveCampaign, helping you stay organized and on top of your contact management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.